Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can verify Capital One card for Apple Pay. So let's jump right in. To get started, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then select the option for adding a debit or credit card. From here, search for Capital One. If it appears in the list, tap on it to proceed. Then tap Continue and scan your card to begin the setup process. Now, if you'd like to verify your card in advance or ensure a smoother setup, there's one more step you can take. Download the Capital One mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, make sure to enable push notifications, as this allows mobile app verification to work properly. Next, sign in to the app and tap on your profile icon located on the bottom toolbar. From there, go to Security, then find the mobile app verification option under Additional Settings. Here, you can enable the feature and enroll your device for secure card verification. Once your device is enrolled, you'll start receiving mobile app verification requests whenever a verification is needed. Just tap to approve the request, and your Capital One card will be successfully verified for use with Apple Pay.